Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having Chrysler 300, and if you need to find the fuse for the transmission shifter selector, guys, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located. You may need to check up to 3 fuses, so make sure to stand till the end, and one of those is actually a little bit hidden. We'll explain where it's located, why it's very important to test fuses as well. So if your transmission, you check the fuses, everything's fine, and transmission shifter is still stuck in park or does not work, we'll have a special video that will talk about that, why transmission shifter is stuck in park, why transmission is stuck in park on Chrysler 300. So check out that video and it can help you resolve that problem if it's not a fuse. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. And if you need to, guys, buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So you may have, guys, different engines, V6, V8, it works either way, but we'll be demonstrating on that V6 right here. We'll have the fuse box, guys, and you have two things that need to squish towards each other, pull straight up, and when you flip it that way, you will have the fuses and the relays located right here. So you guys have actually two fuses that you need to check here, and one is actually hidden. The first fuse that you will need to check is actually known as fuse number 29. This is a 15 amp fuse right here. We will always recommend to test fuses. We'll put a link to a video that explains how to test fuses and how to test relays and find out if they're working or not. Otherwise, you may end up spending quite a bit of time and money. Another fuse that you need to check will be fuse number 37. We're talking about that fuse here. 1, 2, 3, that third fuse. Okay, if you pay attention from right to left, that's very important fuse as well. Now you have one more, and actually it's hidden in the trunk of your Chrysler 300. So let's open the trunk and we'll continue from there. So if you come right here, guys, this is you can see the trunk, spare tire, car battery. Okay, right here is the fuse box. In order to open it, you grab here, pull straight out, and the fuse, guys, that you will need to check, it's actually some will have it, some will not. It depends on the model and configuration. This will be the second fuse right here that's missing. 1, 2, that second fuse from right to left right here. That fuse, if you have it, guys, on your specific model, most likely will be 15 amp fuse, so you need to check that one as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If the transmission shifter is still stuck in park, we'll have a video that explains how to fix that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. See you guys next time.